In rural India, millions of students are struggling. They're facing some really tough challenges. There just isn't enough infrastructure, and internet access is scarce. Without the right resources, it's difficult for them to get the quality education they deserve. But here's the thing. We believe our app can actually change all of that. Our idea is the result of extensive research. We spoke with students, teachers, and district educational officers, both online and in person, and what we learned was eye-opening. Teachers are facing challenges in managing resources effectively, and many find government tools difficult to use due to limited digital literacy. Without the infrastructure and connectivity found in urban schools, rural education continues to fall behind, making it harder for them to access the latest AI tools. That's where we come in. Our app solves these problems in a really efficient way through three main features: smart resource management, a virtual teaching assistant, and the fact that it's optimized for offline use. Let's start with smart resource management. This is a game changer for teachers. We've built an LLM agent to help them manage their resources easily. Whether it's updating the database, requesting new materials, or even generating reports for district education officers or the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, this tool does it all. Here's an example. Let's say a teacher needs some lab equipment or maps. They can simply request it through our app, and our smart crawler will search the server for the best match. It notifies the teacher automatically, so they don't have to spend time hunting around the app. Plus, it generates real-time reports and analysis, making it easier for DEOs and the SSA to allocate resources better. Next, we have the Virtual Teaching Assistant. This is a super advanced AI tool that can really help boost any teacher's effectiveness. With generative content and relevant images, it makes education easier and more engaging than ever. In fact, a study from Harvard shows that AI tutors can increase student engagement by 80%. But that's not all. Our virtual teaching assistant supports more than 20 regional languages in India, so students can learn in their own language. Teachers can even ask questions, and the assistant will analyze the students' attention spans, creating personalized learning paths. It's also capable of evaluating students' knowledge levels and adapting the learning material to fit their needs. Behind all of this, we're using knowledge graphs to store and manage student data efficiently, so the AI can adjust its teaching methods in real time to suit each student. And get this, everything works completely offline. That's right, even in the most remote areas without internet or infrastructure, our app still runs perfectly. There's no need for expensive APIs or constant connectivity. Our custom model takes care of everything, ensuring that learning continues no matter where you are. One of our standout features is that all of this can be accessed directly through WhatsApp. This integration means teachers don't have to learn how to navigate a new app. They can interact with the system using a platform they are already familiar with. This feature makes it easier for users to access the full range of capabilities without the steep learning curve. And we didn't stop there. To make sure the app works smoothly, even in low bandwidth areas, we've added data caching and compression. This means you'll get all the functionality fast and reliable, no matter how weak the connection is. Whether you're in the city or a remote village, the experience stays seamless. Our app also brings powerful data analytics to the table. Schools and government bodies can now analyze educational data to make informed decisions. Whether it's for better resource allocation or smarter planning, these insights help ensure that the right materials go to the right places, exactly when they're needed. Next, we have a feature that's all about improving student outcomes, learning and forgetting curve tracking. These features make our app more than just a teaching tool. It's a complete learning ecosystem that adapts to both the teachers' and students' needs. Whether you're managing resources, planning lessons, or tracking progress, our app is here to make education smarter, more accessible, and future-ready. You might be thinking, okay, but does it really work? Well, we've already tested it in multiple government schools, and we've got an MVP, minimum viable product, that's been getting great feedback. We're even talking to several private schools to roll it out there too. Our app integrates smoothly with existing systems like EMIS and SSA, and the reviews from both teachers and students have been overwhelmingly positive. So, this isn't just another app. It's a real opportunity to bring quality education to every corner of India. We want to make sure that every child, no matter where they live, has access to the tools and resources they need to learn and grow. Thank you for listening, and we hope you'll join us in making a difference.